Alright, here we are again with the train. We are going to do, in this case it's my last part, but if you're following the little rubric here, we are on part number 3. This is the hitch magnet. And we have a very simple inner circle, outer circle, and an extrusion of 1/4 inch. Not a complicated part, shouldn't be too difficult for us to manage. So I'm going to start a sketch. This time I'm going to choose my XZ plane. I'm going to start off with a circle. I'm going to do both the inner and the outer at the same time. So there's my my inner. I'm going to do another circle. This one's going to be my outer. This is 0.45. And I'm going to extrude, but just the ring. You can hopefully see in there the pink of just the ring that I want to be extruded. Change it to my proper height of 1/4 inch. And you can see the hole in the middle. And we have our outer ring. This is our hitch magnet. And that's it, folks. It's one of my shortest videos yet. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video. And please follow me on Instagram at Mr. Hartzler and Twitter at Mr. Hartzler Math. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you have a great day and that you learned something.